Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and this is a beach, not really like a blanket, but it's sort of like a beach cover that can be used on grass or on sand. And it kind of gives you a nice clean area to have a picnic or be at the beach or wherever where you want to kind of have a nice area that is not necessarily on the sand or grass. This is a 10-foot by 9 foot. It has pockets in the four corners that look like this, to where if you wanted to stuff sand in there, you could from underneath and kind of give it some extra weight. But it does come with the yellow stakes that allow you to stake these in. But the section where you can put sand plus the stakes will ensure during, let's say, a beach trip, it's going to stay nice and in position. The fabric interacts with water, so this would be like water poured on it. And you can see it does not soak in, beads right off. So it allows this, if it does get wet, to not kind of saturate and get heavy and sticky. The water is really just beads and comes right off, which is a nice benefit. It also comes with a nice travel case, so you can fold this up nice and neat. It's actually pretty small, so it's not going to take up too much room when it's in storage or if you're traveling with it, and it cinches up nice and neat. The pattern, as you can see in this example, is sort of a sun style pattern. Looks really nice. The material is looks to be very durable. All the seams look to be nice, and I would say stitched well. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about this really nice, very large 9 by 10 foot blanket to cover beach, grass, or wherever for a picnic or any kind of other outing.